Make money by blogging. Did you know that regardless of whatever you're personally passionate about, you can make money off of it? That's right. By simply writing about it and sharing certain key pieces of information about subjects you're passionate about, you can make quite a bit of money. The best part to making money through blogging is that it's completely passive. That's right. You only need to publish once, but you can make money many times over from the stuff that you've published a long time ago. As long as people are able to find those materials on the internet and they click on ads, join your mailing list, or buy stuff through the links you placed in your blog, you will make money. You can't say the same for freelancing or other active ways of making money online. This is why a lot of people are drawn to making money through blogging. How to get started. The first thing that you need to understand about blogging for money is that not all niches pay the same. Keep that in mind. You may be all excited about kids' socks, but if there's not enough advertiser demand, or worse yet, consumer demand for kids' socks, you're not going to make much money. The long and short of making money by blogging is to pick the right niche. This means that you have to look for a niche that has a high enough consumer demand, decent commercial value, involves topics that you're personally passionate and knowledgeable enough, and can accommodate many different money-making methods. If all these factors are present in the niche that you selected, chances are quite good you would make money by blogging. The pros of making money through blogging. The big advantage of making money through blogging is that it's passive. You only need to write when you have the time, and you can make money off not only that post, but also on previous posts that you've published. If you publish enough and your blog gets enough traffic, this can translate to quite a bit of money every single month. The best part is you don't have to stick around to actively work for that money. The past work that you did continues to produce cash as long as people visit your website and click on links. How awesome is that? Another great thing about blogging for money is that you don't necessarily have to write. One of the most common misconceptions about this way of making money online is that you have to be an excellent writer. Believe it or not, you can just take what other people have published and repackage it on your blog and link out to the sources. This is called curation. That's perfectly legitimate as long as you link back to sources. Even if you can't write for the life of you, you can still make quite a bit of money blogging as long as you curate high quality content in a tightly defined niche. The cons of making money through blogging. The big disadvantage of this way of making money online is that it takes some time to ramp up. It also depends on how visible you are on the internet. These go hand in hand. If you barely publish or you publish using the wrong keywords and you're not really optimizing your blog for search engines or social media, you're probably going to struggle for a long time. There are so many blogs out there that have failed because people simply did not promote them the right way, and they also picked the wrong niches. As long as you avoid these two pitfalls, you should be fine.